So guys, tomorrow will be the final day when we are officially going to see the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro in the market, and Google is going to be officially launching both of them alongside with the Pixel Watch and Galaxy Buds Pro. Now, we already know everything about that particular device. Its design has been confirmed by Google itself. Some specifications are already been leaked by Google itself. Now, one of the amazing things that this device is going to be bringing is the camera department. We know that the Pixel devices are best when it comes to cameras, and the computational photography coming from Google is right now one of the best one in terms of photos. But what is more interesting this year that Google is going to be bringing the cinematic mode like feature into the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro devices, which is going to be pretty amazing. Just because the fact that iPhone 14 Pro Max is coming with the same cinematic mode. With that cinematic mode, I think that Google is going to be tackling what the shortcomings of its Pixel 6 Pro devices. Like we already know that Pixel is best in when it comes to photos, but when it comes to videos, they were lagging behind when competing with Apple. Now this cinematic mode might actually going to give an idea that Google is going to be working on videos as well. So this is definitely a good sign for the future and current Pixel devices. And we have to wait and see what Google is going to be bringing with this cinematic mode. Now the second major upgrade that we are going to see, and it's worth mentioning, is the face unlock. Google, since from Pixel 4 and 4 XL, has removed that particular feature from the devices, and now it's going to be bringing back into Pixel 7 series, which is going to be a good choice. Although I don't think that this is going to be much secure as compared to the fingerprint scanners. Definitely this is going to be a nice addition in terms of features. Moving forward, we also have in the camera department the macro shooter, which was missing in the Pixel 6 Pro, and thanks to the new telephoto camera that is arriving for the Pixel 7 Pro device, we are definitely going to see a macro focus mode inside the Pixel series devices, which is again giving you a better quality of images. Although we don't say what is going to be happening with the videos, but still it's going to be giving us good photos up till now in terms of leaks and rumors. Now, as far as the silicon is concerned, it's coming with the Tensor G2 chipset, which might actually going to be give you a 10% performance boost in terms of CPU, 35% performance in terms of the AI, and the GPU performance will be 25%. And on top of that, it is going to be made up of on a 4nm architecture, which means that it is going to be a power efficient chip. So honestly, this is not going to be a big upgrade when it comes to the processor. And in terms of battery, according to the spec sheet leak, it's going to be upgraded for the Pixel 7, which is coming with a 4700 mAh as compared to 4500 mAh from the last year. This is a big upgrade, so it's worth mentioning. And for the Pixel 7 Pro, it's going to be retaining the same 5000 mAh battery capacity as the last year. Now other details are going to be exactly same as the last year. We have the same 6.3 inch of Full HD plus 90Hz refresh rate for the Pixel 7, and the Pixel 7 Pro will be coming with a 6.7 inch of 120Hz QHD plus resolution display, which is same as the last year. And as far as the storage is concerned, it is kind of a disappointment that Google is going to be retaining the same 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. No 512 GB storage option is available right now, and no SD card support is available. So it's kind of a disappointment from Google. Now, one of the biggest things that you should be considering is the pricing. Well, basically, there has been a leak which confirms that $599 is going to be the price for the Pixel 7, and for the Pixel 7 Pro, it's going to be costing you around $899. And considering the chipset and performance and overall, I think that this is going to be a good deal. And we have to wait and see up till tomorrow and see what Google is going to be bringing. So guys, overall this is going to be a decent device, not a big upgrade are coming, but still it's going to be worth mentioning that there are some improvement in terms of video quality. So we have to wait and see how the video performance is going to be coming. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.